This is Teja Rautu with Dilip Kumar Irri.
Thank you, Teja. Thank you for coming. Today we are with Teja Rautu, who is the recent selectee of FactSet. Today we are discussing about FactSet interview process. Okay, Teja, let's start. Could you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Teja Rautu. Currently studying BTech CSE in GVP College. Yeah, that's it.
So Teja, what is the eligibility criteria for this FactSet?
Eligibility criteria is 80% throughout the academics.
Okay, so what are the rounds that are present in FactSet and how you have attended? Is it offline or offline?
Okay, the hiring process went for 2 days.
Okay.
The first round is an online assessment round. It consists of 3 coding questions, and the total time given is 1 hour and 30 minutes, 90 minutes. The 3 coding questions are of easy to medium level.
First round is online assessment round.
Yes.
Right? In that online assessment round, what are the coding questions that they have given to you? Could you brief explain?
Okay, the first question is profit and loss question. We have to find the maximum profit in at most k consecutive days.
Okay.
The input is a profit and loss array.
Okay.
And k, which is the maximum consecutive days.
Okay.
We have to output an amount, a number, which is the maximum profit in our selected consecutive days.
Okay. What is the second problem?
The second problem is gateway throttling, in which the input is an array of incoming requests from different websites like a.com, b.com, c.com, and the output that we have to print is yes or no. For that, the request is accepted or either rejected. In a 5-second window, at most 2 requests from a single domain can be accepted, and in a 30-second window, at most 5 requests from the same domain can be accepted. Based on these criteria, we can either accept a request or reject a request. We have to return an output array with yes or no for each request.
Okay. What is the third question that they have given to you?
The third question is binary search and answer question, which is minimum implementation time, minimum development time for projects, modules in a project.
Okay.
There are n modules in a project, and each module can either be integrated or developed from scratch. Integration can only be done by team lead, and development can be done by any of the team members. We have to find the minimum time such that all the projects are completed. It is conducted in our college only, in the college labs.
In the college labs, okay. Coming to further second round, a technical interview round. What are the technical interview round questions that they have asked to you?
The following rounds are 2 technical rounds and an HR round.
Okay.
Both technical rounds consists of coding questions only.
Okay.
3 questions each. First technical round has 3 coding questions.
The first question is
suspicious logins.
Suspicious logins.
Okay.
What is the question?
We are given an array of integers, which are timestamps of requests. And we have to find the number of pairs in that array.
What are the inputs?
The inputs are an array of integers, which are timestamps.
Okay.
And a window time, in which we have to find the suspicious logins.
Okay. What are the outputs for the question?
We have to find the number of pairs in those given timestamps, such that they are suspicious.
So the output are pairs. What is the second question?
The second question is to count the number of subsequences of a given string in another string, which is a DP question. Okay. We are given as 2 strings, S1 and S2.
Okay. What are the inputs for the question?
The inputs are 2 strings, S1 and S2. We have to find the number of subsequences of S1 in S2 accordingly.
Okay. What is the next question, third question?
The third question is a tree question. Given the pre-order traversal of a binary tree, we have to check if it's binary search tree or not.
Okay. So the input is
a priori traversal array of a binary tree. We have to check that if it's a valid binary search tree or not.
Okay, what is the next technical interview 2 round, right?
Okay. In the second technical round, the first DSA question is wind farms.
And what are the inputs of the question?
Inputs are XY coordinates of wind farms on an XY plane.
So XY coordinates are inputs for the question. What are the outputs for the question?
The output is the minimum cost such that we have to find a center on the XY plane such that the cost is minimized for all wind farms.
Okay, what is the second DSA question?
The second DSA question is maximum nutrition, which is a DP question. We are given n types of fruits with price and a nutrition value. And we have m amount of money and k discount coupons. With a discount coupon, we can purchase a fruit at half of its value, or we can either purchase without using a discount coupon for the full price.
What are the outputs for the question?
Output is the maximum nutrition that we can get by choosing choosing any number of fruits by purchasing them.
What is the last question in the second technical interview?
Last question is a graph question. Given an undirected graph, we are given edges as the input. We have to print yes or no for each edge. Yes if the edge exists in a shortest path, in any shortest path. And no if an edge does not exist in any shortest path.
So these 2 technical interview rounds are happened on same day?
Yes, the second day. The first day, the online assessment is conducted, and the second day, 3 rounds: technical round 1, 2, and HR.
So after second technical interview round, what is the next round? HR round. Right?
HR round.
So HR round, what questions does HR ask to you?
It contains general questions like self-introduction and the tech stack that I'm proficient in. The HR asked me about the tech stack that I'm proficient in. I answered MERN stack and the.
So you answered that you are proficient in MERN stack.
MERN stack, yes.
What questions does HR ask to you related MERN stack?
Yeah, he asked about React. What is React and why do we use React? And what is state management in React and Redux for state management and all that. And followed with questions on Node, Node.js, introduction and why do you use it, why do you
is the HR asked about any behavioral questions or not, like company related behavior questions?
He also asked DBMS questions on keying, clustering, indexing, and
so in these 2 days, in first technical interview, you have solved how many questions out of 3?
In the first online assessment round, I solved 2.5 questions.
2.5 questions. In second interview round, how many questions you have solved?
In second round, I managed to solve 2.5 again.
2.5 again. Yes. So Teja, thank you for sharing all your experience with us. If you want to give any suggestions or guidance to juniors, what would you suggest? Practicing any kind of things, what are the resources that you want to suggest, or what are the coding platforms you want to suggest to juniors?
I would suggest practicing problems in LeetCode, attending contests every week. Yeah, that's it. That's about it. Practice makes it all.
Okay, Teja. Thank you for giving your interview experience. So this is the interview experience that is shared by Teja. So I think this video will be hopeful for all the juniors and all people who is going to face this FactSet interview. Okay, thank you. Okay, Teja.